Welcome guys to my new video. One of my customers brought this phone to me and he said that this phone is not charging, the speaker is not working, and the mic is not also working. So when I opened the phone, I saw that these flex have an issue. You can see there's no socket. The socket was removed and they tried to work it, they could not work it. I asked the owner who repaired the phone what happens to the phone before, and he said the phone was having issues on the screen. So when he took the phone to a phone technician to work it, so that is how the person just destroyed the flex. According to him, he said that he saw me online. Then he contacted me and I chatted with him and I gave him direction and he finally brought the phone to me here. So today I'm going to work this out. Without time wasted, let me start the video. Engineers, the first thing here is for you to get the exactly socket, right? You can see you can get it from old screen, old flex that is no more working. But before you remove it from the old flex, make sure you confirm that it is the same, right? It is the same. So this is my own. I remove it from old flex, old screen, right? So I'm going to place it here for me to be sure that it is the same. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you because I want you to understand everything. You can see right here that the person who tried to repair the flex before nearly spoiled the flex. You can see that the flex is burned. So when this happens, when a flex like this burns because of too much heat, it is difficult. It's going to be difficult to repair it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix it. First of all, apply lead. Check this out. Use your soldering iron to carefully lead it. Check this out. Please, phone technicians, if this is your first time that you're coming across my channel, you're watching my videos, please make sure you follow me, subscribe. If you're watching me from Facebook, follow YouTube, subscribe. Thank you so much. So right here, you can see that I'm just finishing applying lead. Check this out. I zoom so you can see better. You can see very clear. Check this out. You can see all the legs, and right here you can see this place was peel off. Technician, so the next thing I will do now is for me to brush it. It is very, very important you brush it. So let me use my brush to brush it very well because I want to see the pin very clear. Check this out. Check this out. So the next thing now is for me to place the socket. This is the socket. Let me place the socket. During this process, you have to be very, very careful. You have to set it very, very accurate. Set it very straight. Make sure that all the pins are the same on the flex. The pin of the socket are the same on the flex. You set it very well. Make sure you take time to do this. Phone technician, the next thing now is for you to check the socket, the pins on the flex, confirm to be sure everything is accurate, is fine, is correct. The pins are on their own without touching each other, right? They are on their own. Confirm. You want to make sure that everything is okay before you start the heating process. Remember, you're not going to heat it for a longer time because this flex is not strong, because they have already burned the flex, so you're not going to heat it for a long time. So I will show you everything that you need to do in order to fix this issue. Check this out, engineers. I'm bringing my soldering iron. So for this, you can use your soldering iron, but there are other tools that you can use. But for this, I recommend soldering iron. Make sure that you have lead on the bit of the soldering iron. Just place it under. Check this out, engineers. Place it under for a while. Take time to do this, engineers. Take time to do it. You can see it's heating up and the lead is melting to connect the pin. So take time to do this, engineers. You have to be very, very careful. Like I said, don't spend a lot of time so that you will not burn the flex. Technicians, check this out. I'm done now. So this is the first stage of fixing this. I'm going to show you the second stage that you have to do in order for you to make this very strong, right? So this first stage, it is not all that strong. I will do another thing for you guys to see so you can do it and then have a good work, right? So that when you fix it, it's not going to give you any problem. Phone technicians, the next thing now is for me to place this flex on something. Let me place it. Okay, so I will place it here and I will show you what I'm going to do. Okay, let me look for gum, then put gum. You can see I'm putting gum. You will see the results. Okay, the next thing, I place paper because I don't want the heat to destroy the rubber, which is the downboard case. I don't want the heat to destroy. So the next thing, I got this. You can see I want to put it at the back of the flex to hold the flex very well. I apply glue. You can see I take time to place it. Check this out. Let me show you. The glue is already strong. It's gum already. It's already strong. So make sure you do all of these processes. You want to make sure that you're doing a good work for your customer. Technicians, the next thing now is for me to put gum under. Let me show you. I'll put gum here. Like I said, take time to do this. Do not rush. All of this work are very simple to do. Okay, the next thing now is for me to carefully bend the flex to place it on the gum. Check this out. Then I will look for something, either plier or anything that is a little bit heavy, to press the flex. You can see. Phone technicians, the next thing now is for me to look for flat screwdriver to press the socket. Like I said, take time to do this, no rushing. So check this out. Check what I will do. You can see what I'm doing right now. When you're doing this, please, you have to be very careful when you're pressing, not to apply so much force so you will not spoil it. Like I said, take time to do this, no rushing. Take time to do this. No rushing. Do not rush. Do not rush. So the next thing now is for me to apply paste. Very, very important. So let me apply paste now. Check this out. Check this out. Take time to do this. Do not rush. Take time to do this. It's very simple. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. I don't want to rush this video. I want you to understand. So check this out. Make sure that your iron is very hot. Then you take time to let it. You can see what I'm doing. Take time to let it. Technicians, during this process, you have to be very, very careful because any mistake you do, you will end up spoiling everything. I mean, if you make mistake, lead touch another pin, like you allow the lead to breach other pins, you will end up spoiling everything. So you have to be very, very careful. Check this out. I'm done with one side. Now I will start doing the other side. You can see I take time to connect the pins. It's very simple. I will fix this phone right away. So let me turn so that I will fix the other side. Phone technician, check this out. Make sure that you apply paste. Take time to do this. Apply paste first so that you have a smooth, a clean soldering. Okay, the next thing now is for you to bring your soldering iron. Make sure it is hot. Take time to do this. You can check this out. Very simple. Check this out. Check this out. Take time to do this. Do not rush. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. Take time to do this. Do not rush. You can see I take time to do my own, so that whenever I plug it, I put charger, it will charge. Everything will start working. If you have question, you can let me know in the comment section. If you have, I will appreciate it so much. Phone technicians, please, if this is your first time you come across my video or you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing all of my videos. I have a lot of videos to drop. Please subscribe so that you will see all of my videos. Thank you so much. So right now, I'm going to brush it. I'm going to use my chemical, then brush it very well. Check this out. I'm going to brush it. You can see now it's very clean. So let me remove it. The next thing now is for me to connect it to the phone panel. You can see the flex, it's bent a little bit, but don't worry, when you connect it to the phone panel, to the socket on the phone panel, everything is going to be very straight, right? Make sure you clean it very well and let me plug it. Engineers, if you see any date inside the socket, I recommend you use sharp objects to clean it very well. Take time to do this because you want to make sure that you're doing a great job for your customer. Okay, let me plug it now. Let me plug it now. Let me plug it now to see. Phone technicians, please, for the first time that you want to plug, please, you have to be very careful, right? You have to be very careful. The main reason why I say you should be very careful is that, you know, the flex is not all that strong because it was bond. So you have to be very careful. You can see it is connected now. You can see I just connected it. It's connected now. You can see it's connected and I'm going to test it. You can see, let me remove it. Check this out. And let me turn the flex for you guys to see if it is straight. You can see now it is straight, not really bad. It is straight. So let me plug it again. Let me plug it again. Okay, make sure you take time to do this, engineers. You don't have to rush, please. Take time to do this. Okay, so let me unplug. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. It is very important. Please let me know in the comment section. Because when you drop question, I will be checking all of your questions, then I will do video accordingly. Phone technician, right now the owner of this phone is very happy. He's very happy. He's smiling right now. I don't want to turn my camera. I would have shown you that the guy is very happy right now. So let me fix the phone for the owner. Technicians, right here, if you check, you will see a long jumper wire. Technicians, so this is the wire the guy used to connect charging. So this is jumper for the charging. So I'm going to disconnect it. I'm going to disconnect it. You can see this is the wire. So the guy connected from subboard to the main board. So I'm going to disconnect it. So it's not going to work this way again. Everything will be by the cable, which is normal. Technicians, the next thing now is for me to test the cable to be sure there's an output voltage, which is 5 volts from the charging port. You can see I want to plug charger now. Okay, I just plug charger now. So let me test it. I want to make sure that there's an output voltage. Check this out. Check this out. I just read now and I have 4 point something, which is not good. Maybe something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. I will check either it's from the charger or charging ports. Let me just unplug the charger, then plug it again. Something is wrong somewhere, but don't worry, I'm going to fix it. So let me just press the flex, then keep everything steady. I still do not get voltage. Something is wrong. Let me check. If you have question, drop for me in the comment section. If you have question, drop for me. If you have question, any type of question at all, anything, just drop for me. Okay, check this out. It's giving now. It's giving now 5 point something. Engineers, my multimeter is not all that good, so sorry for that, but it's working now. It's giving out. So the next thing is for me to connect it to the panel, and that's all. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy to see your question. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Let me couple the phone for the owner. No time to waste. I have to do other things. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. I love you all. Bye for now.